Hello, welcome to our today's third tutorial about thesis statement of an academic research paper. A thesis statement in an academic research paper serves as the cornerstone, encapsulating the central argument or purpose. It provides a roadmap, guiding readers through the study's scope and objectives. A well-crafted thesis statement presents a clear and concise message, fostering a focused and coherent exploration of the chosen subject. 1. What is a thesis statement? A thesis statement is a vital element of an academic essay. This sentence tells a reader your topic, what you think about it, and possibly how you are going to prove it. Regardless of whether a professor or a QA specialist reviews your essay, the thesis is one of the first things to check. Highlights the overall quality of the work, so please make sure you put efforts to craft your thesis. The thesis statement, usually only one sentence long and the last sentence of an introduction, is a direct answer to the assignment question, or response to the assignment topic. It describes an opinion or perspective that answers the question, also known as the argument. Thesis statement summarizes the evidence and analysis that supports that opinion. The rest of the essay expands on the thesis statement, using argumentation and evidence to show that it is correct and valid. Functions and purposes of a thesis statement. To announce the topic to the reader, to reflect a judgment about the topic, to provide the reader with a blueprint for what is to come in the paper. 2. How to write the most important element of the essay. Here are some easy questions that you need to ask before writing the thesis. They will assist you in crafting a perfect thesis. What is your topic? Formulate a question that your essay will answer. Who's to blame for the obesity epidemic? What is your stance or claim? Take a position on the topic and answer the question, what or who? Parents should teach their children healthy eating habits. What is your rationale for this stance? Provide support for your stance. Answer the questions how or why to make your thesis arguable. Because parents are the first to teach and model healthy eating habits. What concessions will you make to qualify your stance and acknowledge opposition? Although the public wants to blame the fast food industry for the obesity epidemic. Qualification plus stance plus rationale equals thesis. Although the public wants to blame the fast food industry for the obesity epidemic, parents are more at fault because they are the first to teach and model healthy eating habits of their children. Unlock endless inspiration and stay engaged with our captivating content. Subscribe, like, share, and comment to be part of our thriving community. Your support fuels our creativity, and together we'll continue to explore exciting topics and enrich each other's lives. Join us on this enriching journey today. 3. How to avoid common mistakes while writing a thesis. State the outcome of your essay, not just your intention to investigate. Avoid "this essay will," "this essay intends to," or "I will." The most common mistake is that writers just state the purpose statement of what they will do in the paper, or simply announce the topic. You still can use the purpose statement in the intro as an overview of the topic and what you aim to cover. However, it cannot replace the thesis. You need something to argue about. Give a short summary of the reasons for your outcome, for instance by using because, as, due to in the same sentence. Keep the thesis statement clear and specific. Avoid language such as perhaps and may, as well as vague formulations like some, kind of, somewhat. You should be confident about your central claim. Do not give too much detail as well. That is what the rest of the essay is for. The thesis statement should be concise. In most essays, one sentence is all you need. Avoid personal language, like personal pronouns, in your thesis. The thesis statement should be realistic. Do not exaggerate or overstate your position. Remember that you should prove your point in the essay, so you should not argue about something that is impossible. Make sure that your thesis statement answers the essay question directly. Sometimes it is even desirable to include the wording of the question so that it is crystal clear for the reader, including the professor. Make sure that your thesis statement is not a simple statement of fact or observation. Your thesis should have some depth. You can argue about something that is a well-known fact. I will attach some useful links to help you come up with a good thesis. A thesis statement is the backbone of an academic research paper, anchoring its content and direction. It empowers readers to grasp the study's essence and aids researchers in maintaining a logical and purposeful approach. A strong thesis statement enhances the overall quality and effectiveness of the research paper, leaving a lasting impact on its audience. Unlock endless inspiration and stay engaged with our captivating content. Subscribe, like, share, and comment to be part of our thriving community. Your support fuels our creativity, and together we'll continue to explore exciting topics and enrich each other's lives. Join us on this enriching journey today.